What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney.
When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? No, all right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor give you a check if you have the money. If you don't have the money, make somebody bring you over to the doctor. And guys, remember what you do. Wellness check. Please, I'm asking you to do some wellness check. Do some wellness check on your friends, your family, and even your enemy. Yeah, man, do some wellness check on them. Make sure everybody is all right. And guys, you don't know, it's a new year. So me expect new things. Me expect new things. Let me tell you something. I went to a school, and the school that I went to named 2025. Brother, me I telling you the truth, I one of the hardest school that me ever go to. I learned some things in that school. Make me tell you something when me learn. Me learn in a 2025 school. Say, if you're married to somebody and you divorce the somebody, the person where you divorce become a criminal. And that me learn in a 2025 say in a the school. Say when a man send you a divorce paper and you sign it, it's like you sign a criminal record. And that me learn in a 2025. Me never know say them the kind of sitting there in the world. A man divorce you and you decide to move on and live your life, and the man come out and people take the man's side and I never know. Say when a man send you a divorce paper, you mustn't take it. I never know that until in a 2025. Hey, brother, but me no really come here to talk about that because 2025 is history. It is history. We in a 2026 now. But my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to the general. Narry, come here, me youth. Come here, me general. Come here, me boss. Narry, I want to have a conversation with you. Man to man conversation. What you call it? Father to father conversation. Boy to boy. And what again? What it more sitting me can use. But Narry, I want to talk to you. And you don't know me work already, you know. Me no beat around bush and me go tell you just as it is. Yes, me go tell you just as it is. First, let me say this to you. And where you get that recipe there from? The recipe. And where you get it from? Hey, you can send it, come give me. Yeah, man, send it, come give me. Yeah, man, me want that recipe this. Send it, come give me. Me number there, they text it. Yeah, text it. Narry, me respect the cooking, me respect the food. Food look good. The look splendacious. The fish, fabulous. Me I tell you, food look good, you. Enough respect from a chef to a chef. Me no care where you cook, chef or where you are, but you put it down, you throw it down. Yes, me love it, me like it. Anyway, me general, me go talk to you. And months, weeks, and years and days, them a call up your name. Yes, man, them a call up your name left, right, and center, brother. Man grudge you because you are sing song in a Alicia Kim man grudge you. Man, I carry feelings for you. Me don't know if man did want to watch you. Or me don't know if man did. Me don't know what happened, but man, I carry feelings for you and just, decide to show your whole life out there. With the help of baby mama's dramas. But, Narry, and people, before me go into that, before me talk to what me talk to Narry about, I want to say this little part. To all of you who are watching video, because I know say some are over Slackness Town, and over Brockback Town, and over Quiche Town, and over Jackie Town, because I don't know, you can't call her none of that first name then no more. If you take off that off of there. Me know I watch. But what me I say is, have you really sit down and realized that Ram the Chucker cause him alone cause these people life to turn upside down? Have any of you really sit down and realize that if it wasn't for Ram, none of this would have happened? Have any of you really sit down and realize that Ram by himself turned these people's lives in a danger? Have any of you really sit down and realize that what Ram did to these people lives is very detrimental? Have any of you really sit down in our house and really look at it? That people sending threat, people doing this, people doing all different sort of something towards Alicia Kim and Narry and all these kind of things. Have any of you realize what Ram himself have done to this family? Let me say this there. Sometimes we look over the real deal. However, my viewers and subscribers, listen to me. I want to have a talk with Narry. Narry, come here, man. Come here, brother. Come here. Draw a chair and sit down. Make we chat. Make we elaborate. Yeah, man, make we chat. Them a call your name for weeks and months and days. Yep. Up and down in a all kind of mix up. All kind of say and hear say and something with the help of ladies that you have been in relationship with. Now, Narry, me know how we go when your name a call. You want to say something or you want to not say something. You want to say something or you want to leave it alone. Sometimes you leave it alone, sometimes you say something. Yep, me understand that. When the bucket full and overflow, sometimes you have to just say it upon your mind. Sometimes you have to just do it upon your mind. But me go say something to you. Months and weeks, me hear Vybz. I beat you like a ball. He call you all different kind of name. He call you deadbeat father. He call you every different kind of name. Him call you some name. Him say some things about you. And me I go say this to you. Going pan Vybz channel was a wrong bad idea. Me not beat round bush. Me I tell you straight. It was a bad idea. Going up on him live. You make him draw you out. You make him send out message tell about you have to come on him live and you follow. You should never follow him and go on him live. You go on him live and them chastise you. When you come off of them live, them chastise you. Even me hear him attack how good of a father him is. And him a chastise you. Now you come out and you make your videos. Very good. Very good for sure your part because you are sure say you was trying to reach out to this lady. Me respect that. You also have to remember, when a woman not getting weird with a man who she wanted a relationship with, sometimes, not all the time, sometimes these women is going to or will do everything to make you look like a deadbeat father. To make you look like a deadbeat father. Now, with Shayna, and they had a baby mother. I can't remember her name. I think I messed up her name the other day. I'm not sure. I think I messed up her name. I can't, because, you know, me not really watch them things, you know. Me not really, tell you the truth, me not really watch some of them things. So, the name them, not really get me that hits, because it's messy. But here what me I say to you, the lady where you're married to, yes, the lady where you're married to, where you have, where, as a matter of fact, listen me good now, where there is a 2-year-old. Yeah, there is a 2-year-old. I don't know if I feel or is not feel. But here with me go tell you as a man, as a father. You see your youth them? Take care of your youth them. If them carry go a court for child support, you see the money where, and this is the part where woman not really understand, you know. This is the part where woman not understand when them a run carry go a court. Cause they will run carry go a court and the judge say, pay $100. $100 can't take care of Pitney. $100 cannot take care of Pitney. So it is best if you work with the father and make things work out good for the youth, because it's not between you and the father no more. It's between you, the woman, and the kid. So what me I say to you is, if them carry a court and the judge say you must pay 100, 200, 300, whatsoever the judge say if you pay the money. You see, if you get custody, like if the she go have him a certain time and you have him a certain time, when you have him, you go and you buy him things, buy him shoes, buy him clothes, take care of him when you have him. You see, when him a go home to the mother, you give him half of the clothes that you buy for him. Don't give him all. So you give him some. That's when him come back at you have some clothes for him, and then you will buy more. And when me I say is not only to Sheena alone. Do it for any other kid you have. Any kid you have. And make sure you have a little savings. Make sure you have a little savings for your youth them. Put the money aside. Don't give the mother. Listen to what me I say. Do not give the mother no extra money. No, not give the mother no extra money. Give the mother the money that the court say you must give to the mother. And when the kid come at you, you spend upon him. R. So me I say, when the money, you pay the government. You don't drop off no money, go give her. Do not give her any money in her hand. Give the court the money. Keep all the receipts. Hold on, man. Keep all the receipts that you buy. Every single thing that you purchase for your own son. It's such a bad situation that you have to do that with your own kid. It's a terrible situation that you have to do that for your own kid. But keep every receipts. Keep them. That's if in case of anything, you can say, Joanna, here is the papers that I buy things for my kids. Don't make them get over upon you. Because me go tell you this right now. Them coming at you full force. And guess what happened? Them have the help of all these unscrupulous people who do not like Alicia Kim, and because they don't like Alicia Kim, it boil over upon you. It boil over upon you. So that's what me want you to do. Take care of your youths them. Worry about your youths them. Them say you have one with China and them say you have one with your wife there. Yeah? I don't know. Me hear you say your wife have a 2-year-old. Me never hear you say I feel. You see what me I say? So me don't know if I your youth or not your youth. But what me I say is if I your youth, take care of your youth. Do not, listen me good, do not act like because things are go bad between you and them, you're not going to take care of your youth. If you not sure say your youth, do a DNA, take care of your youth. Now, I could talk about your youth with Alicia Kim. Because listen me good enough. Even though me hear your voice in the house, me still I go say, me no alleged. Me name think me should have say alleged no more. No, sir, me not say no alleged. I know alleged. I feel pity. Hear what me I say. You and Alicia Kim are going with no thing. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your life. And make me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. Sit down in your car out the door and tell yourself, say, you not go do Alicia Kim nothing that's bad, you know, brother. Because make me tell you this. If you love that woman, take care of her. If you love that lady, if you love Alicia Kim, because remember, them say, you and Alicia Kim used to be back in a high school, in a college. You take, or where you want to call it from a long time, so a long time love, a whole fire tick, easy to catch, so you catch back. But make me tell you something. I mean, I talk to you good enough looking at me eye. If you are going to fuck up the woman, I have me excuse to my language, my subscribers and my viewers. If you're going to go on with no fuckery, let me tell you something. No bother with it. Stop it right now. Cut it off right now. No hanky panky business. Me fight too hard. We go too hard. For you come out, come. Do not let me down. Huh? Do not let us down. You want the relationship. You fight for the relationship. You come out and you say your piece. Now, listen me good enough, man. Cause me I chat to you good enough. The video them where you put up. Me know you have more. Yeah, me know you have more. Me know you have one there where it's supposed to come soon. But hear what me I said to you. What them I do to you and Alicia Kim? And hold on. What them I do to you, Alicia Kim, and your kids them is very bad. Because remember, you know, them something are there on the internet. And them something are wipe off, you know, brother. Because remember, every video you make, people screen record them, you know. It's a computer, you're full of screen record. We screen record everything. So when me say that to you is this. Everything where you put out there on the internet, your son and your daughter will see it 10, 15 years from now. Them friend at school go see it. You know what them friend at school go say to them? Your mother and your father did a fight on social media. Oh, you have bad mother. Oh, you have bad father. Yeah, yeah. So what them I do to you and Alicia Kim and your kids, it's very bad for your kids them when they grow up. In a bad food, you know, because you know big and you can't take the what go on. But you have to remember the kids. Them not remember the kids as a matter of fact. Ram now remember no kids cause him no got none. The one vibes him. Who over there? I go on about how much him loving kids, but me have a little thing more have to talk to him about now a little bit. You know hold on and stay tuned for it, you know see it, you know hear it. So what me I say to you, Narry, is sit down, think, ask yourself which way you want this to end up. You notice Alicia came and make video and she didn't want to bother with them. Me understand say you have to come out and clear your name. But listen to me I say, you know owe nobody nothing. You notice me sometimes them talk when them talking. Them call me thief. And guess what? Me never answer them. Them say me trouble little pitney. My cousin. And I laugh off of them. I laugh off of them. Because guess what? You see what you know, and you know that. What God know, and God know that. So what me I say to you is, I mean I tell you if you do still, you know. Me not tell you if you do, you know. But me personally, would I make them videos stay up there for a little bit and just take them down and make your video, do some cooking. Yeah man. And the reason why me I say if you take down them video there is this. Your youths them. Think about your youths them. You know? Think about your youths them. Because when your youths them come up and say you do that, put them video there out there. You know? Them all feel that way say you do this to mommy and you never know what the mother tell the youth either. If you understand what me I say. So my viewers and subscribers, I hope you understand what me I say to Narry. And I hope none of you not take it to a different level because I know you know, brother. Me know you know, man. You know, take things and turn it upside down, you know, brother. Like today, me make a video. I ask the trucker if him a 38. And people are telling me how me ask the question and people are telling me all kind of stuff. Now, well, that no have to talk to Narry about. Narry, me not say nothing more still because, you know, you're a big man. You know what you want in your life and you know how your life will go and you have to do our best for you. And me glad say you come out and clear the year. You know, me glad say you come out and clear the year and you voice your opinion and you make people know say you can talk. The only problem me have is you going up on Vybz channel. You shouldn't go up on it. And I just mean that. Me just be honest with you. You shouldn't go up on there, go talk to them. None at all. Because them beat you, them beat you, them beat you, them beat you, them beat you. And them still a beat you. You know, them still a beat you. Because it's all about money for them, you know. So that's me have to say to you about that. Now, my viewers and subscribers, in the same little media, no, I'm not going to put that part in there. I'm going to go over to a different thing. Now, I want to talk to the one, Vybz. Vybz, how do you do? You alright? Vybz, I see you call me thief. And you say you not stop call me thief, but guess what? You see them grey, you go grey. Because I'm going to make you grey and call me thief. Continue call me thief till you're grey. Continue call me thief until you're grey, youth. Because you don't fix me. However, Vybz, my viewers and subscribers, let me talk to you and explain something to all of you. You know me understand? Vybz is on the internet disrespecting woman. Disrespecting woman. Calling woman all kind of names. Talking all kind of something about woman. And I'm going to say this to each and every one of you. I want to listen me good right now. The other day, Vybz, who named Jethro? Jethro. I saw the lady named Jethro. You was on a live the other day talking about your new God, Color Smith. Yeah, you knew God, classmate. Remember say a long time I make video about classmate, you know. Long time. You knew God, classmate, cause you call him all God, you know. Look, wonder if you know something like that. Anyway, you attack and Jethro get under your skin. And Jethro, something of a sort. Get under your skin. What did you do when Jethro get under your skin? You get eated and alive. You get eated and alive. Because she that get under your skin. What did you do on that life? You move over, and what did you do? And I go use the word allegedly. Allegedly, you pull your firearm and select, crank it up and select one in the head. However, you go back and cut it out at the live. Yes, you go back and cut it out at the live. Should I use the word allegedly? Yeah, I go use the word allegedly. So let me say, allegedly you move over, take up your firearm, select one in the head. People who don't understand select one in the head mean one in the chamber ready to fire. And alive talking to a woman, Jethro. Guess what happened? Not one of your cronies, not one of your clownies, not cronies, your clownies said to you that was wrong. Not one of you say, what you do? None of them never say nothing about it. Uno all have a nice time and uno all go on. Because what? Uno God done something very nice. That wasn't nice. That was a woman. Because you don't have no respect for a woman. Now let me say this. CMR allegedly interfere with his stepdaughter. Alleged. She's a young lady. And you was all about purple heart. You was all about purple heart. So it kind of confusing to me when you is beating down Alicia Kim, who is also a female. But then, you know, on the side of Narry's exes beating down Narry and Alicia Kim, it kind of confusing, don't it? Very much confusing. Because guess what? You don't know what you really want. Because all you are talking and going about you're rich and what you have, you're hungry, you want the money. Let me say something to you now. My viewers and subscribers, listen carefully to what I'm about to say. Please listen carefully and do not say what me not say. Vybz, you have a daughter, yeah? You have a daughter, yeah? And me go explain something to you and your people them and my subscribers and my viewers. You have a daughter, yeah? When your daughter was living with your ex-wife, what happened? Yeah. Duppy know if you frightened, don't it? Yeah, man. Duppy know if you frightened. When your daughter live with your ex-wife, which is her mother, what conspire at the house? My viewers and subscribers, I should not. I'm going to use this word. Allegedly, the Vybz ex-wife, man, physical or should I use physically abuse the daughter by licking the daughter. In a Jamaica, we say beat. When Vybz find out, Vybz was, listen me now, viewers and subscribers. When Vybz find out that this happened, Vybz wanted to unalive the man. Vybz, come on, tell the people, say a true. Tell the people, say a true. You wanted to unalive the man. You were so pissed off. You were so upset. That's when you ask your daughter why your daughter never tell you about it. You was so mad. That's the daughter tell you, say, Daddy, I never want to tell you. I never want to tell you because I know how you are. Because the daughter knows say you're ignorant when it come on to she as a daughter. So my question to you is, you would kill a man. In other words, let me change that word. You would unalive a person who interfere with your daughter. Which, let me say this, I would maybe would do the same thing if somebody do that to my kids or daughter. But you would do that if somebody trouble your kid. But Alicia Kim, who don't even have a dad, her dad passed away. You beat her come, you beat her go. You have no respect for her. You beat her go, you beat her come, you beat her go, you beat her come. What's the difference? The one difference, there's one difference between your daughter and Alicia Kim. Your daughter is your daughter. Alicia Kim is not your daughter, but they are both females. They are both ladies. So what's the difference, brother? What's the difference? Why you keep on beating down the lady all because the lady fuck one man and the man divorce her and the lady got there with a man who fame woman gone about in her business. See, you are come talk about how she shame me like a dog. She not shame me like a dog. She shame herself because she no answer the question when Rumram asks her about the ex-man. She said she have several relationships. So you don't even understand life. And as a matter of fact, let me say something to you, see. You know why me not come to you about certain things? It's because me not have nothing concrete. Because you say you left Jamaica. How long? You used to drive taxi a Montego Bay. Remember say you used to drive taxi a Montego Bay. I remember see your name call, you know. Remember your name call already, you know. But to be honest with you, my viewers and subscribers, there's nothing concrete. It's name call and I won't even say what your name call upon. Because there's nothing concrete. There's nothing concrete. For me to work off and me nah go put nothing out there say you do this and you do that. Me nah go tell no lie upon you. I will never tell a lie upon you. Even though you tell lie upon me about little pitney. Me nah go do that. But remember your name call. And as far as what was said is they don't have nothing concrete. So there's nothing for me if you work with or if you even want my mouth about. Me just make people know say there was something but I don't know. Them say there's nothing. There's nothing. In other words, there's nothing to say yes, him do it or yes, him involved, but him name call. So Vybz, you have to look and think. Me know Me know say you do not and would not want any of these things to happen to your little girl. Because you want to analyze the ex-wife man because of what she do. What him do. Have me excuse. So if you are so much of a purple heart towards women, why are you doing these things to Alicia Kim? Why? Why you are do that to her? No, let me make it make sense, no man. Make it make sense. Why are you doing these things to her? If you are so much of a purple heart person who was out there fighting for little J, why? Why is it that you come out and chastise this young girl? And then I come and look at me and I call me thief and I chat and all kind of something. Brother, have sense now. Have sense. Remember you got a daughter. You have a little daughter. You have a young daughter. And if I was you see that video there? Or that picture there where you have up? I want, you know, and I go talk about that picture there now. I feel business that if you want to keep it up there, yes or no. I won't say nothing about it, you know. But let me tell you something, brother. And the viewers and subscribers, Mark, you know, I did not say anything bad about his daughter. Because me no hear before, no, I go start me a talk about him daughter, because the last time I asked him if he have a daughter, me hear no talk about how, oh, I can't believe he said something about our daughter. Let me tell you something, see. I told me no one cuss my eye. Remember that. Because my mother watch me. My mother never hear me cuss a word yet. No, nope, and she not gonna hear me cuss. Cause me respect my mother. If you notice me trying to go too hard on the ladies them. Talk to them intelligently. Just like Vybz tell me, say, him like how me talk to the lady them with respect. But at the same time, me I beat them bad. I say him tell me, you know. Remember Vybz, remember say you tell me say you want to be like me, you know. Vybz, remember say you tell me you talk on your live. Say you want to be like me. And let me tell you something, Vybz. I'm gonna say something to you, see. You have a lady over there. One of your syndicate them. She always use the survives. You have one lady on your channel where always I talk about she live alone. Yeah, she always I fear say she live alone, she live alone, she live alone. Have you ever stopped and asked her why she live alone? And as a matter of fact, me know you watch me now, cause you have to watch me for report back to Vybz. Why you live alone? Why you live alone? Why you not have no man? Is it that you find out say the man them a problem? Or let we say you are the problem. Or if not, you are the problem. What is really the problem why you live alone? Why you choose to live alone? Now you see what me I talk about. You know see what me I talk about. You live alone and you know ram to talk about it. You feel excited about living alone. Now, my question to you is why are you living alone? But yet still you are trying to beat down Alicia Kim because Alicia Kim move on from a man who divorced her and she there with a man where the wife and the man not there, but them legally married. Eh? Do you have any of you ever say there is a crime for that? Because if there was a crime for that, the half of the world would die in a prison. If there was a crime that you cannot deal with a man because him still married, you know what people that are prison? Half of the world that are prison. And some of you where watch this that are prison too. You know that are workouts because enough of you out there. I take other man, other woman, man. Hold on. Let me say it again. Enough of uno out there asleep with married man and I take married man. Well, enough of uno. But uno are go beat down Alicia Kim because, oh my God, Alicia Kim is the only and the first woman ever there with a man we married. You know what is a coincidence that Alicia Kim in 2025 is the only woman that ever in the history of woman, Alicia Kim is the only one and the first one ever have a child for a man that is legally married. Oh my God. What is this world coming to? Oh my God, Alicia Kim, Lord God, you are the first person. Congratulations. You are the first person that ever there with a married man. Oh my God, congratulations, Alicia Kim. You are the first woman in the history of woman who have a kid with a man that is still legally married. Cut this stupidness out, man. Somebody go tell me a message, send me a message talking about what? The person went into the Bible and said that I can't remember the word. And let me say this in God's eyes, them say in the book, I can't remember the book, but married man and them have them word of them say. But let me say this if a woman and a man is not together, what should she or he do with their lives? Should they cut it off and don't deal with nobody because it says on paper that you're still married, but she can be running around or you can be running around. What happened? You don't have a life to live? So what we really want to say to you unscrupulous, little never say come say boy from down the good old Mobile there. Because you are talking about you come from what kind of family and 'cause me hear you talk about how you come from high class family and your family have money and one heap of sitting. Brother, let me tell you something. People with money no boss. People with money doesn't even talk about it. They don't talk about it because they're so used to money that they don't talk about it. But you know, we're so used to money. You talk a lot about money, man. You worry about everybody money. Everybody money you worry about. Apparently, they want to go live in New York. I want to never live in New York. Because in New York, they want to go live. But me, I wonder, you see, I wonder if one of the reasons they never want you to go live in the US is because the US too close to Jamaica. Because them say your name calling them, but them say they don't have no evidence pan the situation. So I won't even talk about the situation. Because if I don't have evidence, I not go say nothing about it. But the name was called. Your name called while driving taxi in Montego Bay. So when you go tell people you left Jamaica when you did that drive taxi down there. But the real thing when I want you sit down and think about. And again, cause you're dumb, you're dumb, you know, no sense, your brain, I don't know what happened to your brain, but something wrong with your brain. The question was asked, and I'm saying it again. Would you like any of the things that you're doing to Alicia Kim done to your little girl? Think about that. Me I go be honest with you and me I go tell you. Nothing what you would do to Alicia Kim, I wouldn't want that to be done to my daughter. Well, daughters, because me have more than one daughters. I would not want anything to happen to them. So because of that, I talk strongly on the behalf of ladies and females. Now, with Jackie and Keish and what she named over there, so because you see that one the name Rosa? Rosa Alicia Kim mother no do you nothing, you know. Let me just run this by Rosa a little bit. Rosa, Alicia Kim mother no do you nothing at all. That lady don't do you one earthly thing. And for you, if you come out and depend that lady name, me not tell a lie. As a mother, you as a mother who been through separation, you've been through bad separation. You shouldn't deal with Alicia Kim mother, much less Alicia Kim like that. You know me, I tell you the truth. Me sorry for Uno. Yeah, man, me sorry for Uno. Me sorry for Uno. And to be honest with you, you, Rosa, none of them were out there where I make content can't catch you, Not one of them. Not Vybz, not Keish, not Jackie, not Roma. None of them can make content like you. But me just not understand why you get caught up in that thing. Why you get caught up in it? It's because you've been through the same situation. Because that's the problem, You all ladies been in the same situation that Alicia Kim have been in. However, Alicia Kim come out of it better than all of you. And you all hate her for that. It is sad to know that she and you all are females. You all are ladies. Not saying that because you are ladies, you should all pick up fear. No, not saying that. But at the same time, you all have been in the situation. Jackie, are you talking and me? And by the way, you say I go call lawyer. How come the lawyer not call me yet? Because you don't have much sense, I shouldn't say that, You have sense, but you not use them good. My viewers and subscribers, that is what I really want to say for right now. Because that's just what I want to say for right now. Well, Rum there. Rum, me ask you some questions. Me don't see you come out and answer them yet. Remember, I know, Rum, those are questions. Questions. Nothing bad. Just some questions. I was just, just strolling on the street and, just find a paper with some questions on it. So I asked you the questions and hopefully I could get an answer from you. I know you go come out and try to bash me and you may make another video saying me trouble my cousin and all kind of stuff. But me never talk about that. Me need you to answer the question them. We could talk about Philadelphia. And some of them streets. And but you're good youth cause man, you keep two or three phone number for a very long time, man. Man, that's very good of you, man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, with that said, you don't know how we go. It is Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. And guys, in my next video, me go tell you some things where me have a go on and at 2026, so we are step up the game. We are putting some whole bunch of work in the thing. We are do some whole heap of thing. We are make some changes because guess what? We not have no time for waste pan dirty people. With that said, I'm out. Bye bye. Stay blessed.